Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can write an essay just using ChatGPT. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. To access the ChatGPT on the web browser, search for chat.openai.com and open up the website and simply log into your account. Once you have logged in, search for the topic you want to write an essay about and covering all the reasons, key points for its occurrence and its impact. For example, I've chosen write an essay on World War II and cover all the key points, why this happened and its impact. The results will display a detailed description with a title, background information, causes of World War II, key points about the war, and a conclusion. But its impact reasons won't be displayed. In the case the impact of World War II is not explicitly mentioned, you can search specifically for the impacts of World War II as today, and this search will provide a concise answer containing relevant information about the impact of the World War. Anyways, so that's how you can write an essay just using ChatGPT. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.